Welcome back, everyone. Today we have breaking news that could redefine the future of finance. On August 20th, the Federal Reserve confirmed the official completion of the migration to ISO 20022. This upgrade has now gone live across Fedwire and FedNow, meaning the United States financial system is stepping into a new era of digital messaging standards. This confirmation comes just 5 weeks after the transition began in July, and now the migration is complete. From this moment forward, financial institutions using Fedwire and FedNow will operate under ISO 20022, which is designed to bring efficiency, interoperability, and the foundation for blockchain-enabled settlement. At the same time, the crypto market continues to show mixed signals. XRP is trading at $2.93 with a slight correction of 0.8%. Bitcoin sits at 114,000 and Ethereum has recovered by 1.8% to 4,300. The broader market is stable but fragile, especially after $98 million were liquidated in a single hour following the announcement that Israel had launched ground operations in Gaza. The geopolitical risk adds another layer of uncertainty and has triggered selling pressure across risk assets, including cryptocurrencies. Yet while markets react to fear in the short term, the structural change announced by the Federal Reserve is far more important for the medium and long term. The official statement confirms that the ISO 20022 migration is live and calls on institutions to explore the possibilities of leveraging the new data-rich standards for payments. This opens the door for collaboration, innovation, and the integration of technologies like distributed ledgers and blockchain-based settlement. It means that Fedwire and FedNow are now compatible with the same global standards being adopted by SWIFT and by central banks around the world. Why does this matter for XRP? ISO 20022 is the language that enables interoperability between legacy systems and blockchain networks. Ripple has positioned XRP as an ISO-compliant asset, and now the rails are officially in place for U.S. financial infrastructure to communicate using these standards. This does not mean XRP is being directly implemented today, but it sets the foundation for its use in the future of cross-border settlement and instant liquidity. The Ripple dollar, alongside stablecoins and CBDCs, is being discussed as part of the payment solutions that will connect with FedNow and Fedwire in the years ahead. Another crucial development is regulatory clarity. Senator Cynthia Lummis recently reaffirmed that crypto market structure legislation will arrive before the end of this year. The stablecoin bill, also known as the Genius Act, is scheduled for debate in the coming months, and October is widely expected to bring the Clarity Act, which would establish a clear framework for cryptocurrencies. This timeline means that just as the U.S. financial system has completed ISO 20022 migration, Congress is preparing to pass comprehensive rules that could unlock institutional adoption. Together, these events create a powerful narrative. On one hand, macro volatility continues with geopolitical tensions and liquidations shaking markets in the short term. On the other hand, beneath the surface, the financial system is evolving toward blockchain-ready standards, and the regulatory environment is being defined. This combination is why many analysts believe that the next cycle of adoption will be institutional, and XRP sits at the center of this transformation. It is also important to note that stablecoins have been officially recognized as tools to enhance instant payment systems like FedNow. A document released this month highlights how stablecoins could improve efficiency and settlement finality. When paired with ISO 20022, this recognition suggests that both stablecoins and ISO-compliant digital assets, such as XRP, will play roles in the future of money movement. Ripple has long argued that its technology can serve as a bridge asset for institutions, and now the pieces are coming together. The significance of August 20th cannot be overstated. The Federal Reserve has confirmed that its most critical payment rails are operating under ISO 20022. From this day forward, every bank and institution using these services will communicate under the same global standard that connects to SWIFT, to European payment systems, and to blockchain-ready frameworks. For XRP holders, This is validation that the infrastructure required for adoption is not hypothetical, but real and active. The question now is how long it will take for this migration to translate into utility and value for digital assets. Regulation remains the missing link. If Congress delivers clarity in October, the United States could be on the verge of a new era in digital finance. For now, XRP holds steady around $2.93, but the groundwork being laid today could shape its trajectory for years to come. What do you think? Does the Federal Reserve's adoption of ISO 20022 mark the beginning of a new phase for XRP and Ripple's technology? Do you believe regulatory clarity this year will accelerate institutional adoption? Share your views in the comments with the hashtag XRP. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest updates on XRP, Ripple, and the transformation of global finance. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and help spread this information to the wider crypto community. The road ahead is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The financial system is changing, and XRP is positioned right at the center of it.